shit down right now. I'll blow your fucking brains out. Put it down.
You work for the government. I'm a Christian. You
I don't care.
On October 17, 2022, in Bulloch County, Georgia, a woman set fire to a telephone utility box in her front yard. When deputies arrived to investigate, she pulled a gun, and what started as a fire nearly became a deadly encounter.
Say again? Okay. All right, we were called here. You've set your yard on fire.
No, I didn't.
Who did?
It is my yard. So if I want to set it on fire, I can set it on fire.
Is that your yard too?
Over there? No, that's their yard.
Okay, well, where?
Like currently, you are standing on my yard.
Yes, ma'am.
You work for the government.
I do.
I don't know if you're a Christian, but if you read Matthew chapter 23, you might want to take a look at that. They're going to drag you to hell working for Satan.
I get that. But why did you set something on their yard on fire?
It's not their yard. This is my property line.
That is on your property?
That is my property.
But that is not your property.
It is on my property.
I don't care. The telephone company, that's their property.
Oh, you mean the company? Don't come any closer. Don't come any closer.
I need to talk. I need to talk to you.
You can talk to me from the yard. I'll stand in my yard. You stand on the...
No, you're not going to tell me what to do.
Okay.
We were called here.
What to do.
I'm not telling you anything.
You work for the government. The government is a deep state satanic cabal. They do not tell Christians what to do. I can tell who's been reading their Bible lately. That's on my property. I've asked for it to be removed.
I'm fine. I didn't have my radio on. I'm sorry.
It's a controlled burn. I have a fire extinguisher.
All right, thank you.
I'm taking care of the problem since the utility company do not come any closer.
Where's your fire extinguisher?
Right there. Get off of my property.
His radio turned down.
And you're being recorded.
I don't care.
Okay.
You're under arrest for criminal damage to property first degree. Yes, you are. You put that fucking shit down right now. I'll blow your fucking brains out. Put it down. Put it down.
Got it on camera. You cannot take
I don't.
No, you can. You are trespassing. I just shit on myself.
That's good for you.
Stop! You are trespassing. You are trespassing on my property. Stop!
Give me your hands.
I'm about
Give
to
me your
shit
hands.
on myself. No, you are kidnapping on my property.
Give me your hands.
I'm about to shit on myself.
Well, that's too bad. You should have thought about that before.
No, that is
Give
my
me your
property.
hands. No, it's not. That's
Yes,
the telephone
it
company.
is.
No, it's not.
The telephone. Let me
Turn
tell you
around.
something. No, stop.
Turn
I'm
around.
about to shit on myself.
Turn around.
If I
Turn
do, I will
around.
shit on me and you. Don't.
Turn
You
around.
cannot do this.
Yes, I am. Turn around.
You work for the government. I'm a Christian. You
I
can't
don't
do this
care.
to me.
58. She's got.
It's broken. Oh, fuck. I'm shitting. I'm sorry.
That's too bad.
Do you want to watch me go to the bathroom?
No, I don't. Turn around. 10:20. Turn around.
I'm on my
Turn
property.
around.
I am on my property.
And you're still being under arrest.
And this is kidnapping.
She pulled her gun on me.
No, I did not put my gun.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. This is ridiculous. I'm shitting on myself. I am shitting on myself right now. And you lost your shoe. What the fuck?
10:95.
The government does not tell Christians what to do. I'm on my property. I asked for that to be removed.
Yeah.
Stop! You're on my property and you're kidnapping me for doing something on my property. It's fire season. Yes, it is fire season.
Stand still.
Seriously. Have y'all ever read Matthew chapter 23 about what it says the devil will do getting you to work for him in the government and dragging, you're preventing Christians from entering the kingdom of heaven, and they're going to prevent you from doing it too. You can't arrest me. This is kidnapping.
Come on. Go. Go.
Can I take my daily devotion?
No.
My door is wide open. Y'all
That's fine. We'll secure it.
I have a fire on my property. No,
You don't anymore. I already put it out.
Get off my property! Get off my property!
Yeah.
God damn it, you're about to rip the fucking horns off! You're pulling me that way and you're pulling me that way!
Truck, aren't we? Yeah, that's fine.
This is kidnapping! There's a fire on my property and you are kidnapping me!
Get in the truck.
No, I'm
Get in the
not!
truck.
This is kidnapping!
Word simple.
This is kidnapping!
I walked in the house and she pulled that gun. She picked it up out of the chair. I stuck mine to her head. I said, put that shit down right now. That was on fire. Yours or hers? That's hers. I don't have one. Is there anybody else here? Not that I know of.
Have we checked?
Not yet, no, sir.
Alright, let's check. Sheriff's Office, Sheriff's Department, anybody home? Is anybody here? Make yourself known. Coming out.
Sheriff's Office, anybody here? Sheriff's Office.
Clear it to me. Alright, that's clear. There wasn't one in the chamber, but I don't see a side stopping.
She didn't point it at me, but she picked it up and...
I took it off. Looks like she took it off.
Yeah, you got that.
So,
Mind you, that's my...
Well, you picked it up and pointed at me, so that's...
I was moving my gun.
You weren't moving it. You picked it up when I walked in.
Here's what's that all over her face? Is that paint or is that makeup or is that just, was she just bad or?
Her face was
The
red.
red?
I think that was all I saw, yeah.
Okay.
She's got the kind of splotchy.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's, yeah.
Okay.
She said that, she didn't really say anything about it. She said she could do it. It was her property. I said, why is it over there? And she said, I said, that's not your property. That's the telephone company's property. Don't. Charles Industries.
What?
Charles Industries. Never heard of them.
Is that gonna be telephone? Is that gonna be the telephone company?
Yeah.
The hell out of it.
It says right here, the telephone company property.
Wonder what the hell she used for that seller.
So that was one.
got lighter fluid.
Oh, there was. Have y'all dealt with her before? She does stuff like
She's
this.
the one. She's the female that it was just 1096 that they've been out here 2 or 3 times.
Yeah.
They took her to the hospital to get evaluated. She wouldn't answer none of the doctor's questions or anything, so they just turned her loose. She's the one that used to drive around. I don't know if it's that truck or not, but used to drive around in a pickup truck, huh?
She's the anti-government woman and everything.
Right.
Yeah.
With the flag.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're not falsely in prison, Miss Gubberly.
And I don't, what's your badge number? I'd like to add it to my photographic memory along with badge number 17, 21, and 44.
Mine is 75.
75.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me explain something to you a second. What's the second?
Jones.
You were trespassing on my property. I'm telling you, I will have your career. This is not going to end good. I know the law.
75 volt.
You trespassed in my house.
En route to the jail. One female. 159 495. 159 495.
And you
Let the jail know to have somebody on standby. She's probably gonna be trouble.
drive around in your little trucks and your little cars, collecting your salary that comes from stolen taxpayer property, with "In God We Trust" on your vehicles, which aren't really yours; they belong to the taxpayers. In God We Trust, but in Satan you collect. You familiar with Agenda 21 or Agenda 30?
Nope.
Global communist agenda to imprison or kill 95% of humanity, make the other 5% slaves for the elite. They're not really elite, they're parasites. Congratulations, John. Guess who they consider to be one of their 5%?
Me.
Yeah.
Woo!
It's really not funny.
Not laughing.
Matthew chapter 23. It's really not funny. Don't ask why the utility company had a box on my property after I asked them to remove it. No, so all work for the government. If you ain't realized we've had socialism and oligarchy in this country, and you think it's still the land of the free because of the brave, I got news for you. Your kids go to public school.
Hey, that's a close man out here. You want to follow up?
The government is educating our kids with a bunch of bullshit. Y'all are doing a great fucking job of serving and protecting the public. God is gonna be so fucking pissed. Go ahead, I hope that's turned on, and I hope it's been recording the whole fucking time.
It's on.
Comes in my house without a warrant and without my permission, being told not to come into my house, trespassing, points his gun at me, tells me he'll blow my brains out, then kidnaps me to hold me as a prisoner of war at Bulloch County Jail. Land of the free because of the brave. So far, John, you violated my God-given rights. You violated my constitutional rights. You violated my basic human rights. You're breaking the speed limit. You're doing 80 miles an hour. And anybody else
81.
who was doing 60 would be pulled over. Rules for thee, but not for me. Back in ye old Bulloch County prisoner. What am I being charged with?
Criminal damage to property first degree for lighting the telephone box on fire.
On my property?
That wasn't on your. It doesn't matter if it's on your property or not. It's not your property though.
It's my property.
The telephone box wasn't your property.
It's in my property.
No. The telephone box is not your property. Come on.
It was my property. On my property, and I've asked for it to be removed. Yes, this is Dubberly, who was on her property and had a gun pulled to her head.
The woman was charged with arson in the 3rd degree, aggravated assault on a peace officer, criminal damage to property, obstruction, and possession of a firearm during the commission of a felony. What part of this incident concerned you the most? The fire, the firearm, or her behavior afterward? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video, and as always, stay safe out there.